Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to go over a new snack, which is if you know the Taiwanese, the bubble tea, Tiger Sugar, that brand. Now they offer the rice ball dessert. It's not really a snack, it's more like a dessert. So that's 4 different kinds, and this is more like a bonus. This is something new that I saw. The first one is the peanut black sugar pearl rice ball. This one is the black sugar sesame rice ball, and this one is black sugar salted egg rice ball, and lastly this is the special one, the Kit Kat version of the rice ball. And today I'm gonna try make it and try one of each and see which one tastes the best. And let's open up. Come with a pack of 10 pieces, so I'm gonna get one of each. The sticky rice made in a dough in a ball shape. Inside they have this kind of ingredient, some pearls with peanuts on it, pie peanut butter sauce. And let's open this one. And this one is brown sugar. Oh, got stuck together. Now, so this is brown sugar. Oh, this one, it smells so strong. The brown sugar. This brown sugar smell like. The brown sugar smells so strong here. One with brown sugar, salt, egg. That's how it looks like. Same color as this. Again, it's very strong brown sugar. So it's very simple to do. All you need to do buy this, boil hot water, dump it in and cook it until it gets flow on top, then it's ready to serve. Oh, this is brown sugar too. Oh, it's a chocolate. Let me smell it. Yes, brown sugar. Outside the dough, the ball is brown sugar. Inside probably my most likely Kit Kat. Let me take one out. Now it's all messed up. I cannot tell which one is which until I try to taste it. And my water is already stopped boiling. Right now it just sink, right? So once it's ready, this will start floating up. Normally as a tradition, like all this water, if you can add some ginger and brown sugar and you can drink it along eating the rice ball, just an FYI. So for me, I'm not gonna drink it today. I'm just want to focus on this, the rice ball. So that's another way to make it as well. All right, now the mochi is ready. Actually not the mochi, the rice ball is ready. You see they are now folding, that means they are good. So now I'm gonna take it up. Normally, once it starts folding, I'll just cook another few more minutes, just be safe. Inside is fully cooked. Otherwise, it'll be cold. Even though they are eat it, but you won't eat it as hot. So let's try it out. This one first, right? The white one, huh? It's very soft and chewy. Oh, you see? Oh my God, they have tapioca in there too. This is like a peanut butter one. This is peanut butter with tapioca. The mini tapioca inside. Oh, there's so many tapioca there. Oh my God, this is so cute. And let's try it. You can taste very strong like peanut butter paste. The rice ball itself is very chewy. The skin is chewy, and then the tapioca is also chewy too. Overall, it's good. It's not as sweet, and then those paste is very fine. You are not biting into peanut. It's more like a paste, like peanut butter paste. This is very good. I like it. The whole thing is, if you like chewy texture, this is the right good choice. A strong peanut butter. I think they have I also taste like the sesame, the white sesame inside. It's very strong too, the sesame. Let's try this one. Let's cut in half and see what this one is. Oh, this is the brown sugar with black sesame. So, oh, see? The sauce is melting, the juice now. So it's so hard to eat. Usually I just eat the whole dump the whole entire ball into my mouth. I don't usually cut it in half. Otherwise, you'll see what will happen. It's just like the liquid is gonna come out, the juice. This is also good too. It doesn't have tapioca inside, but they have black sesame and white sesame as well. This one, if you look here closely, I hardly eat a rice ball that has the black sesame is very fine grinded. You don't bite on the black sesame itself. It's just so good. It's like a powdery in here. I like where they grind it so fine, the black sesame. It's just so good. As well, they add sugar on it. But once you cook, you don't taste like brown sugar anymore. You just taste like sweet with black sesame pie. This black sesame or the peanut that I had earlier is stronger flavor that cover the brown sugar. So after you cook, you don't taste brown sugar. Now let's try this one. Let's see what inside. Yeah, the ball itself is sticky. If you stick to it, see, it's sticky flavor, gooey sticky flavor. But everyone is chewy the skin. Oh, this one is Kit Kat. Look at this. It's all chocolate inside, but I don't see that Kit Kat. Oh, there's a little Kit Kat, like the crunchy cookie. I think it's because it's hot. It's all melted. Do I see the crunchy thing? Nope, I don't see the crunchy thing. But it should be chocolate. You know what? Let me eat the whole piece then. It's very strong chocolate, by the way. Oh. It's very interesting. It's a Kit Kat, but you do taste the crunchy, those Kit Kat in the center. You can taste it too in here, but you eat, even though you don't see it, but it's there. And a lot of chocolate. But somehow it's interesting. I feel like I'm tasting mushroom flavor as well a little bit. It's weird, but overall it's good. It's not that sweet flavor in it, but it's very good. I like it. This is very interesting flavor. First time I've seen this like Kit Kat rice ball. Nothing. This is the salt 8. Pie with milk custard on it. Yeah, supposed to be like the sesame one, or peanut one should be like very fluid, should be come out, but somehow I guess it doesn't melt out well. But let's try it out. It's yellow inside. Once I smell, I can smell very strong the salty 8, like the duck 8. And then with some custard on it, let's see how it tastes like. You definitely taste the milk custard as well as the salty egg. The yolk itself. I would say the salty egg is like more standing out than the milk custard. I kind of so with this flavor pie. I don't like salty egg itself personally, but if people like it, this might be good. Overall, it's still good. All the skin is very chewy. I love it. It's not like I think I had another rice ball, like some other rice ball is like the skin is very soft, it's not chewy, but I feel like this rice ball, the Tiger Sugar one, they make the skin rice ball is very chewy. I'm loving it. So out of it, I would say Sesame is the number 1, and then the Kit Kat or peanut butter, I like both. I cannot wait, but definitely the salty 8 would be number last. I'm not in a fan of that. As luckily you don't taste too salty. You still taste that probably add a lot of sugar on the milk custard. So I think the winner for today is the sesame brown sugar rice ball. If you do see it, grab them, give it a try. I think you will like it. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.